Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove the center console from a Mini R56 2009. What you need is a T20 screwdriver. Remove the T20 at the back and the cup holder. Two T20s in the front cup holders. I have removed the driver's seat, just makes it a little bit easier. The driver's seat's held in with 4 T40s and it's on a multi-plug for the airbag. Anyway, back to the centre console, pop the handbrake cover up, cup holder out, and the centre console is literally just clipped in like so. But to remove the gear knob, all you do is give it a pull up like so. Oh, we need to disconnect the wiring as well for the cigarette lighter and the traction control buttons. That's the centre console out. Obviously it sits that way. So when I pulled up before, all you're doing is releasing the clips. I have lost 2 of them. I'll be replacing them before I put it back in the other car. The gear knob, I will just pull that through. The gear knob there is on a clip with a straight pin and only go one way. That sits on the top of the gear selector. So you pull that up to release that. The plugs, the wiring, that is for the cigarette lighter. It only goes one way, so you kind of get that wrong. And the multi-plug for the traction control buttons. This is on a release clip like that. Push the sides in. That's it removed. If you wouldn't mind liking, subscribing to my channel, I'd be very much appreciated. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.